here's their setup. Very nice and clean. Here's our materials for today. Let's see what they got in here. Ooh, what? Garage Dream. Wow. And it's only $50 an hour? Oh my god. This is every person's wet dream.
Rest of our locks. Just keep an eye on the left one, because that's always the last one to lock. So. Oh. Anything you need, just let me know.
Oh, you have these pads right here. That's what you want to get onto. Anything else, like a pinch weld or anything, you'll fold plastic. It's all plastic. So
you just
hold the button.
Oh, just press it in. How do you lower it?
Well, if it's on a lock, you have to go up a bit. I'll show you. And then you hold that, and then you press this. This is your release. So once you have all 4 tires slightly off the ground.
And we do a shake test. Okay.
So we're good.
Here we go.
And you'll hear the locks click. That's a lock.
Now.
So every time it locks, that's where now you lower it and it rests it on a lock. Then you can work on the car. You don't work on the car in between locks. So because we're going to do the wheels right now, this is a good level. See, then you lower it down, we're resting on a lock. To get it back off, you lift it up and then hold that, and then you can bring it back down.
Okay.
So here. So we go up, it bypasses all the locks.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
And then back up.
Makes sense. And so you want to hear that click.
And then drop it onto the click, and it's on a lock. And that way, if you have to get underneath the car, you don't have to worry about this slowly losing hydraulic fluid and falling on you.
Right.